Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to remove the bottom border bar from the Divi standard header. This simple change can give your website a cleaner, more modern look by helping the header blend more seamlessly with the rest of your page. We'll explore two methods for achieving this, using the Divi Booster plugin or by adding some custom CSS. Let's get started. If you'd like to remove the bottom border bar from Divi's standard header without using any code, the Divi Booster plugin offers a quick and hassle-free solution. This method is perfect for those who prefer an intuitive interface to make design changes. By simply toggling a setting in the plugin's Options panel, you can efficiently eliminate the border and achieve a cleaner, more modern look for your site. To access the Divi Booster header settings, start by navigating to the Divi menu in your WordPress admin sidebar. From there, open the Divi Booster settings. Once inside, locate the header section and expand it. Next, click to open the main header subpanel. This is where you'll find the specific option we'll need to adjust. Now that you're in the main header panel of the Divi Booster settings, look for the option labeled Hide Header Bottom Border. Simply check the box next to it to enable this feature. This adjustment will remove the bottom border from your header, creating a seamless and modern design. Once you've enabled the Hide Header Bottom Border option in the Divi Booster panel, don't forget to click the Save Changes button. This will apply your update across your entire site, ensuring that the bottom border is successfully removed from your header. Once you've saved your changes, visit your website to confirm that the header's bottom border has been successfully removed. You should now see a seamless header design with no visible border or shadow underneath, achieving a clean and modern look. If you prefer a quick, code-based approach to remove the bottom border bar from the Divi standard header, adding custom CSS is a great option. This method is simple and doesn't require modifying any theme files or using a child theme. Instead, you'll add the CSS directly in the Divi Theme Options panel. Let's walk through how to do it. To begin using custom CSS to remove the bottom border of your Divi header, start by accessing the Theme Options panel. You can find this in the Divi menu on your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the panel, scroll down until you see the Custom CSS section. Click into the code input box. This is where you'll be adding the necessary CSS to modify your header. In the Custom CSS box within the Divi Theme Options panel, you'll need to add specific CSS to remove the bottom border from your header. The code effectively disables the box shadow for the header element, giving it a clean, borderless appearance. For the exact code, please refer to the accompanying post. Once you've entered it, we'll move on to saving your changes. Once you've added the custom CSS in the Theme Options panel, scroll to the bottom and click the green Save Changes button. This ensures your update is applied and live on your website. Now that you've made the changes, visit your website to preview the updated header. You should see that the bottom border or shadow has been completely removed, leaving you with a sleek and seamless header design that enhances the overall look of your site. In this video, we've shown you how to remove the bottom border from Divi's standard header using either the Divi Booster plugin or custom CSS. Both methods are quick and easy, allowing you to achieve a fresh, clean header design that enhances your site's overall appearance. Thanks for watching and enjoy your sleek new header.